observation that social scientists may like to reflect on is how can we work better together across universities, across institutions, across generational cohorts, and across different techniques. One thing that's becoming very aware to me is that many of us are interested in the same kinds of problems, whether it's inequality of income or wealth or region, or other issues such as long-term prospects for the economy and people's livelihoods and well-being. But in our different areas, we often approach things with different methods and techniques. And yet our insights for policy may be similar or better amplified if we got together to say what the answers were. And I think the COVID-19 crisis brings a lot of that to a head. We could come together a little bit more often and say, what have we learned? What do we think policymakers should do? How do we indemnify ourselves against these kinds of crises in the future? And I think collectively, we have a lot to say. And I would like to think that's something we could build towards in terms of a social science profession that does that. Clearly, the British Academy, the Royal Society are part of that, as well as the Royal Economic Society for Economists. But there are maybe others and ways of combining. And that's maybe something we need to think about a little bit more as a group.